Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalist ng UST Golden Tigresses ang DLSU Green Spikers 25-21, 25-20, 25-16. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Paul Colinares sa likod ng kanang 17 points, 11 attacks, 5 blocks at 1 ace. Nagtala si De La Noche ng 12 points, 11 attacks, Valera 4 points, 2 blocks, Macam 10 points, 4 aces, 3 digs at 13 excellent receptions. Yambao 2 points, 1 ace, 19 excellent sets. Alabar 6 digs. Gupiteo 7 points. Diviga 5 points. Nag-ambag naman si Sally ng 2 points. Para naman sa natalong DLSU Green Spikers, Campton 6.6 attacks. Fortuna 6.6 attacks, 7 digs. Adahar 1.1 block, 14 excellent sets. Layog 6 points, 1 block. Guerrero 4 digs, 10 excellent receptions. Hernandez 6 points. Maglinaw 2 points. Nag-ambag naman si Mendoza ng 2 points. Del Pilar 1 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Panalo naman ang Adamson Sharing Falcons kontra sa UE Red Warriors 27-29, 25-23, 25-20, 25-17. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Mark Leo Cogimbal sa likod na kanang 16 points, 6 attacks, 8 blocks at 2 aces. Nagtala naman si Aguilar ng 17 points, 14 attacks, 3 blocks, 4 digs. Obeda 5 points, 1 ace. Canlas 1.9 digs. Domingo 2 points, 19 excellent sets. Tahiludin 5 points, 18 excellent receptions. Gutierrez 5 points. Balon 3 points. Nag-ambag naman si John Gay ng 2 points. Paulino 8 points. Para naman sa natalong UE Red Warriors, nagtala si Aligayo ng 23 points, 20 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 ace at 6 digs. Piojo 17 points, 16 attacks. Defeo 7 points, 3 blocks, 1 ace. Ledesma 6 digs. Pokita 1.6 excellent sets. Acero 9 points, 18 excellent receptions. Roca 2 points. Nag-ambag naman si Siso ng 3 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, winalist ng Adamson Lady Falcons ang UE Lady Warriors 25-20, 25-15, 25-12. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Francis Modi sa likod na kanang 11 points, 10 attacks, 1 block. Nagtala si Nitora ng 18 points, 16 attacks, 11 digs, 2 excellent receptions. Dote 4 points, 4 blocks. Noike 9 points, 2 blocks, 1 ace. Villegas 6 points, 2 aces. Manuel 13 digs. Sagaysay 2 points, 15 excellent sets. Hamele 1 point. Nag-ambag naman si Sapensa ng 1 point. Bascon 3 points. Para sa natalong UE Lady Warriors, si Pada 10 points, 10 attacks, 4 digs. Bangayan 11 points, 10 attacks, 1 ace. Ecalia 5 points, 4 blocks, 5 excellent sets. Nogales 3 points, 1 block. Reyes 13 digs, 11 excellent receptions. Balingit 2 points, 15 excellent sets. Famulagan 2 points. Nag-ambag naman si Zamudo ng 1 point. Pinataob naman ng UST Golden Tigresses ang DLSU Lady Spikers 25-12, 22-25, 13-25, 25-23, 15-13. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Angeline Puyo sa likod na kanang 28 points, 24 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 ace, 16 digs, 6 excellent receptions. Nagtala si Jurado ng 17 points, 16 attacks. Altea 10 points, 3 blocks. Plaza 2 points, 1 ace. Pipito 24 digs, 16 excellent receptions. Carvalho 2 points, 22 excellent sets. Hilongo 5 points. Abo 5 points. Nag-ambag naman si Oneque ng 1 point. Para naman sa natalong DLSU Lady Spikers, Angel Canino 25 points, 21 attacks, 3 aces, 17 digs, 16 excellent receptions. Lapot 18 points, 15 attacks, 8 digs. Reterta 7 points, 3 blocks. Provido 10 points, 2 blocks, 2 aces. Reyes 1 point, 15 excellent sets. De Leon 15 excellent receptions. Del Castillo 8 points. Nag-ambag naman si Sorino ng 2 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of February 27, 2025. FEU Tamaraws 3 wins 0 loss 9 points. NU Bulldogs 2 wins 1 loss 6 points. UST Golden Spikers 2 wins 1 loss 6 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 2 wins 1 loss 6 points. Del Iso Green Spikers 1 win 2 losses 3 points. Adamson Soaring Falcons 1 win 2 losses 3 points. UP Fighting Maroons 1 win 2 losses 2 points. UE Red Warriors 0 win 3 losses 1 point. Heto naman ang team standings ng Women's Division as of February 27, 2025. NU Lady Bulldogs 3 wins 0 loss 8 points. UST Golden Tigresses 2 wins 1 loss 5 points. Adamson Lady Falcons 2 wins 1 loss 5 points. UP Fighting Maroons 2 wins 1 loss 5 points. FEU Lady Tamaraws 1 win 2 losses 4 points. Del Iso Lady Spikers 1 win 2 losses 4 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 1 win 2 losses 4 points. UE Lady Warriors 0 win 3 losses 1 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong March 1, 2025 na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena. Para sa Men's Division, maglalaban ang UST Golden Spikers at Adamson Soaring Falcons alas 10 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang Inyo Bulldogs at UA Red Warriors alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa Women's Division, magtutuos ang UST Golden Tigresses at Adamson Lady Falcons alas 2 ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang Inyo Lady Bulldogs at UA Lady Warriors alas 4 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.